I'll show you later. We're gonna wash the bike.
Because it is dirty, huh, Minos?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get started. What's the first thing we gotta do? Do we have to spray down the bike?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got it all rinsed up, huh, Minos?
Yep. Now let's put water here.
Alright, come get the bucket. Now we gotta get the water in there, huh? You run over there so you don't get sprayed? Get that good soapy water.
No, my foot is broken.
Oh, your foot's broken? How did your foot break? Your foot broke like that?
Yeah.
Oh, man. We filled it the bucket?
Yeah.
Now we gotta put the cloth in the bucket.
Yeah.
And then we gotta soak the cloth, huh? Alright, BINO, what's next?
Wash it. Wash the cloth.
Oh, okay.
Can I wash it with you?
Yeah. Ow!
Did the motorcycle hit you?
Yeah.
The motorcycle did it hit me.
Is it because the motorcycle likes you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. My motorcycle doesn't like me?
No.
Does that mean I have to give you the motorcycle?
Yeah.
Or do I have to give it to Daddy?
To Dada.
Your mom will let your dad have a motorcycle? Yeah. I doubt that.
I said Dad can have a motorcycle.
Oh, okay.
She died it.
No one dieted. What did you say to the motorcycle? You said we gotta wipe it down and then go...
Go to pot. Where's Mama?
She's at your house.
No, Mama's right there. Surprise!
Surprise!
I'm gonna be on YouTube. Ow!
What happened?
Your motorcycle headed me. I forgot your motorcycle. Hi, Grandma. We're wrecking the grown-up part. I'm getting these slippers all dirty.
Don't get the slippers dirty.
No. My sissies are on the trampoline. I better go get them.
So I took a tip from Beach Biker. I'll link him down below. He waxes it. When I got the bike, I was told not to do that because it'll make it shiny. But you know what? I kind of like it waxed. It looks pretty when I do that. So we already got the tank waxed. Pretty. I mean, I think it just really accentuates the bike in general. It really adds to it. Like I said, it looks pretty when I do that. And that's it. All cleaned up again. But I guess it's supposed to rain again some point, so probably have to wash it again this week.
If you like the video and you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, leave the comment down below. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Later.